Do you need a heavy-duty ball mount for your vehicle for either CB or ham radio? Then you need to check out Breedlove Antennas. He creates these very heavy-duty ball mounts. He also makes a lot of other antenna mounts. You may have seen his SO239 antenna puck mount in my F-150 video. I'll leave a link to that video in the description. But today I'm going to be installing his 4.5-inch plate ball mount, and this one comes in the 3/8 by 24 style. He also has one that is SO239 style for screwdriver antennas and anything else that may require those. So in the kit you get this thick plate, and it comes with this. The ball mount itself, it's got a nice heavy big Allen to do adjustments with it. Then you have a back plate which will go on the inside of the vehicle. It's got your ground screw, and this side is actually threaded, tapped and threaded. And you have your rubber gasket that goes on the outside in between the car and this plate. And you got your 4 Allen screws to fasten the 2 plates together. And then he has 2 different options. I got the SO239 style, so all I got to do is screw my coax in. He also has one where you cut the end of your coax off, put you a electrical fitting on, ring, and then screw in the center, and then you screw your other end to your plate. I wanted a couple different options for coax and stuff, so I went this route. It is a couple dollars more for this, but you don't have to cut your coax or anything. So you may have also seen in a couple of my older videos, I did a ball mount on the side of my Jeep I used to have. It was a Motorola style, nice heavy duty ball mount. Unfortunately, you can't hardly find them anymore. I'd come across a few on eBay in the past. I bought them, but most of the time they stayed with the vehicle. So I didn't want to try to cheap out, because I know some of the brands out there have ball mounts, they just won't last with a bigger antenna. So I decided to go the Breedlove style. I know he makes a nice heavy duty quality mount, so we're going to give him a shot here. I'm going to be putting it here on the car, right back here. So all we got to do is get our drill. The nice thing is, on like the Motorola's, you had to drill a great big hole. This one, all you got to do is drill a hole here. I think it's about 5/8 or so, enough to where this nylon insulator, enough room, hole, screw in. You just screw it in the back here. That makes your connection, and then you just mark your 4 holes for your mounting plate, drill them, tighten them up, and you're good to go. So we'll go ahead and get the drill and mark our hole. And sorry for the background noise, the wind's starting to pick up. But whenever you're mounting this, be sure to try to get it as level as you can now before you drill these holes, because this does not turn. It has 2 pegs here in the back which keep this from turning. So if you got it mounted like this, and you drill your holes, you can't turn this. So you need to get this as level as you can to begin with. Figured I'd point that out. Just you can't turn this. So once you bolt this up, don't expect to turn this, because it ain't going anywhere. So I got my 4 holes marked. I'll go ahead and drill those and get this mounted up. Alright, so I got my 5/8 hole drilled. Fits nice and snug. So now I'll go ahead, put the plate up there, screw this into the back, and then take my marker and mark my 4 holes. And we'll go ahead and drill the 4 holes for the Allens. We'll go ahead and get the plate all mounted up. Well, there it is, all mounted up. Pretty straightforward, easy mount. I actually thought it was easier to mount than the Motorola one, so I definitely recommend Breedlove antenna mount. I've got my heavy spring and my 102-inch whip on. And here on the back side, you got the. So now all I gotta do is run my coax and throw the analyzer on and see how it does, but I won't show that in the video. So if you're looking for a heavy mount, either for 3/8 24 or even SO239 for your screwdriver, or anything like that, be sure to check out Breedlove Antennas. I'll leave his website in the description below. So thanks again for watching. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe for any future videos. Catch you all later.